Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to unlock your Facebook profile. To unlock your Facebook profile, firstly open your Facebook application. After that, tap on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here you can see that I have logged my profile. Now tap on you have logged your profile, learn more, just below the add to story. After that, tap on unlock button. After that, tap on unlock your profile at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on OK. Congratulations, you have successfully unlocked your profile. This is how you will be able to unlock your Facebook profile. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.